I guess, our third single from the album, or we had 3 singles from it, and we had another little music video for this one. It's called The Part Where You're Gone, and this song was written about learning to live after loss. So I lost my lovely dad a few years ago, which is a very normal thing that most of us would experience, but still so painful because we were very, very close, and he was very funny and a huge, huge part of my life. So he would absolutely love that he gets spoken about. He'd be very smug about this. And this song is all about that moment that you start to recognise life is going to carry on, and it's got to carry on because it's filled with all the other lovely things that your life holds. And so that sort of point where you start to go, okay, there's going to be grief and it's going to be tricky, but let's keep going and let's take that person and that love and those memories into the next bit as well. So that's what this one is all about. It's the part where you're gone. The weight that kept me grounded and tethered to the floor. Without your pull, now I am drifting on through every open door. How can we just continue on a wheel that doesn't turn? We live and love and walk and love within a world from which you're born. But this is the part where you're gone. Feeling so familiar, I've been lost in me. A me that lives upon the shaky ground. By you I cannot